Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get an API key for almost any AI model for free with supposedly unlimited usage. But before we get into it, I want to address something from my previous video. I received quite a few comments saying that using free third-party API services like this may not be safe. And yes, that's obviously something you should keep in mind. They're providing the service for free, so you should use it at your own risk. I'm not sponsored by them, and they're not paying me to make this video. I'm simply sharing it because I came across the service and found it interesting. So, whatever you decide to do with it, you're responsible for your own usage and your own data. Now, open your favorite browser and search for freemodelsforall.hopto.org. Now, Google sign-in won't work here, so just scroll down and click on Create Account. Here, you can create a new account using any email address, since email verification isn't required. Once you've created the account, simply log in using the email and password you just entered. This is the dashboard or the control center. Here, you can see your daily and monthly API requests, and as you can see, they're showing as unlimited. This is the API keys section. You can check the usage of your API keys, and in this section, you can see all of your requests. We have the models section. As you can see, there are a lot of different models available that you can use for free. Then we have the community section, where you can interact with other users. We have the documentation section. This is where you can find information about the platform and learn how to use the API. Now, come over here and click on Create API Key. Give your API key a name. You can also set an expiry date. If you want once you're done, click on Create API Key. Now, make sure you copy the API key and save it somewhere secure, because you won't be able to view the full key again later. I'm going to use this API key with a custom script that Anti-Gravity created for me. If you want the script, I'll add a link to the code in the description so you can get it from there. Now, just run the script. I forgot to update it before recording, so I'll update it here first. Once you run it, you'll get a list of all the available models, and you can choose whichever model you want to use. All the models available on the website are shown as free and unlimited to use. I'm going to choose GPT-5.6 just to test it out and see how it works. So, as you can see, it's working. Now, let's exit and run the script again, and this time, let's try a different model. Now, let's select one of the DeepSeek models and start a quick chat to test it. This one is working as well. Now, let's try Fable 5 and see if that works too. But first, I need to find it in the list of available models. There might be some issues with this particular model. Maybe there are too many users trying to access it at the same time, which could be causing it to crash. But no worries. You can always try the other available models, and you can come back and try this one again later. So that's it for this video.